My name's Janet Davis. I work at the Royal Orthopaedic Hospital. I'm the Capital Estates Programme Manager.
Hello, my name's Charlotte Thornwell. I work for the Royal Orthopaedic Charity at the Royal Orthopaedic Hospital.
The reason why we used wall art is we've used it previously at the Royal Orthopaedic Trust, and we'd had really good positive feedback from patients and staff. Our goal was to try and create a very similar positive environment that we'd previously done. We wanted also to try and develop artwork that followed our vision, and that's to help sort of reduce patients' pain and help sort of change their lives for the better.
We'd absolutely recommend Grosvenor Interiors to other charities. We formed a really great partnership with them, and they've helped us create a motivational space and promote good recovery for patients.
One of our physiotherapists asked their children what they would like to see if they were going to a waiting area, and actually one of the children came up with the design that we've got here today. We've had some really positive feedback from the staff already, and we're due to open on the 3rd of April. We would certainly use Grosvenor Interiors again. We're thrilled with the outcome here, and we have been thrilled in the past with what they've done at the Trust already. We receive funding for all the artwork in the new venue from our Royal Orthopaedic Hospital charity.
Yeah, so we're really pleased to be involved, but we do rely on your support to make projects like this possible. So if you visit our website at rohcharity.org, you can find out how to get involved, how to fundraise and how to donate.
It's definitely fulfilled what we set out to do in our vision, make a positive environment for our patients.